Hello students, how are you? I hope you are well and we are also well. I am Nkeja from APS. Today we shall discuss about the further topic of nouns, because before this class we have studied the kinds of nouns, the definition of nouns, and according to definition we can classify the kind of noun very easily. And I mean to say the other part will be classification of nouns, how you will able to understand about abstract and concrete nouns. So these are the two forms of nouns and opposite to each other are abstract and concrete noun. Very marvelous and important topic this is. So how can we create the difference between abstract and concrete noun? Today we shall discuss in details. So through definition and through examples we shall try able to understand abstract and concrete nouns. Abstract and concrete noun. Very important topics. Abstract and concrete noun. Abstract and concrete noun. Today we have to discuss about it, and these are very important. The two kinds of nouns that are opposite to each other. These two kinds of noun, that means abstract and concrete noun, opposite to each other. This is the first one. Opposite to each other. Okay, opposite to each other are abstract. Each other are abstract and concrete nouns. Abstract and concrete nouns. These are the forms of abstract and concrete noun. Okay. Opposite to each other, एक दूसरे के अपोजिट हमेशा होंगे. फिर या तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट होगा या तो फिर कॉन्क्रीट नाउन होगा. सो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू नो व्हाट इज कॉन्क्रीट नाउन. बेसिकली वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड abstract noun and we know the fact about abstract nouns. So I mean to say no any problem will be raised in abstract Noun, whenever you will be, you will have to decide abstract or others nouns. But here it is necessary to understand about concrete noun. Okay, so concrete noun are, this is a definition of concrete noun. Concrete noun. Concrete noun are name of things. Concrete noun are name of things that we can see or touch. That we can see or touch. We can see or touch. Okay, and have a physical form. Physical form. Have a physical form and have a position in space. And have a position in space. Okay. Concrete noun, very important, because this is the a special one about noun part. So it is important for all of us, and we have to understand it. Concrete nouns are name of things. नेम ऑफ थिंग्स का मतलब क्या? सामान का नाम। इससे पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं ना हम लोग प्रॉपर नाउन। अब यहाँ वी कैन सी और टच, जिसको हम लोग छू सकते हैं। फिजिकल अपीयरेंस का मतलब जिसको हम लोग छू सकते हैं, फिजिकल फॉर्म लिखा ना। तो कॉन्क्रीट नाउन आर नेम ऑफ थिंग्स, नाम हो सामान का। दैट वी कैन सी और टच, जिसको हम देख सकते हो या छू सकते हो। कॉन्क्रीट नाउन की बात सारी चल रही है। सामान का नाम हो और हम लोग जिसको छू और देख सकते हैं। एंड हैव अ फिजिकल फॉर्म, मतलब उसका कोई फिजिकल फॉर्म हो, बनावट हो। एंड हैव अ पोजिशन इन स्पेस, और स्पेस में कोई स्थान हो, जगह हो। तो वह नाउन जो होगा सो कौन सा नाउन होगा? कॉन्क्रीट नाउन, वेरी स्पेशल वन। तो हमारे हिसाब से कॉन्क्रीट नाउन जो है सो सारे चीज़ इसमें हमारे आ जाएंगे। नेम ऑफ थिंग्स हम लोग इससे पहले पढ़ चुके हैं। नेम ऑफ थिंग्स नाउन होते हैं। कौन सा नाउन? नेम ऑफ थिंग्स, स्पेशल नेम ऑफ थिंग्स। कॉमन प्रॉपर नाउन होगा दैट वी कैन सी और टच, जिसको हम देख सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं। जैसे हमने कहा पेंसिल, तो पेंसिल पेन नेम वन जे सॉरी नाउन हुआ ना, तो पेंसिल तो कॉमन नाउन हुआ है कि नहीं। लेकिन हमने कहा नटराज पेंसिल, अभी हमने कहा था इससे पहले पेंसिल, और फिर हमने कहा नटराज पेंसिल। तो पहले वाली पेंसिल तो कॉमन नाउन हो गया, लेकिन अभी जो है नटराज वाली पेंसिल वो प्रॉपर नाउन हो गया, क्योंकि हमने पेंसिल के साथ उसका नाम लगा दिया। ठीक है ना। तो कॉन्क्रीट नाउन में कॉमन नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन आ गए, ठीक है। एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन भी आ गए, ठीक है। सॉरी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नॉन है, कॉमन नॉन प्रॉपर नॉन आ गए, कलेक्टिव नॉन भी आ गए और मटेरियल नॉन भी आ गए. थ्रू डिफिनेशन वी shall able to understand about material, collective, common, proper. Okay, these four part is known as concrete noun. Okay, so according to definition, the fact we have to understand concrete nouns are concrete nouns are name of things that we can see or touch and have a physical form and have a position in space. Okay, so through this we shall able to understand about concrete noun. And concrete noun मैंने कहा कि आपका common noun, proper noun, material noun, collective nouns. These are concrete nouns and the other word is abstract noun. Okay, so abstract noun always refers to names of feelings, states of minds, qualities or ideas that do not have a physical form. यहाँ क्या है कॉन्क्रीट नाउन में? फिजिकल फॉर्म है. ओके, फिजिकल फॉर्म है, लेकिन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन में फिजिकल फॉर्म नहीं होगा. These are the difference between concrete noun and abstract noun. Okay, no physical appearance, we can neither touch or see. हम लोग ना देख सकते हैं ना छू सकते हैं, ओनली फील कर सकते हैं. ओनली क्या कर सकते हैं? फील कर सकते हैं. सो डिफिनेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड मस्ट. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स आर नेम्स ऑफ फीलिंग्स, स्टेट्स ऑफ माइंड, क्वालिटीज और आइडियाज दैट डू नॉट हैव अ फिजिकल फॉर्म. We can neither see or touch them. But concrete noun are the names of things that we can see or touch and have a physical form. It is very very marvelous point. In abstract, no any physical form, but concrete always refers to physical form, and through that decision, through that concept, we can understand very easily these are concrete forms. Clear? And have a position in space. Okay, so following are concrete nouns. Some examples. Through examples we shall able to understand about concrete nouns. Okay, so example will be concrete nouns. Okay, through examples we have to understand these are concrete or not. Okay, so number one, I have written people, I have written people, I have written animal. Okay, we have written places. Okay, and I have written things. etc. and substances. Substances. Things, substances, places, animals, people. Okay, people means just like brother, just like pilot, just like pilot, these are peoples and animals. Lion, deer, rabbit. Rabbit, these are the name of animals. Places over here. Delhi, Mumbai. Okay. Any question? Any doubt? Okay. Things. कोई भी थिंग्स का नाम आप दे सकते हो. अम्ब्रेला, ब्रश, अम्ब्रेला, ब्रश. ओके. बोतल, कोई भी दे सकते हो आप. थिंग्स का नाम है, थिंग्स डाल दिया. Substances, these are blood, water, etc. These are concrete nouns. These are concrete nouns. So firstly, it is essential, it's my advice, हर हालत में कॉन्क्रीट नाउन को समझना है. और कॉन्क्रीट नाउन अगर समझ में आ गया तो कॉन्क्रीट और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में डिसाइड तुरंत कर लेंगे कि ये कॉन्क्रीट है या एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन है. सो द डिफरेंस क्रिएटेड बाय मी बिटवीन कॉन्क्रीट नाउन एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. But always we shall have to estimate abstract noun by the definition. Okay? Because it's so logical and always refers to the qualities, some ideas, and we can't touch abstract noun and see, and no physical appearance. No physical appearance, do not have a physical appearance. So very marvelous topic, and I mean to say have to learn it, have to remember it. Okay, it will help you more and more. So I think you have understood concrete nouns and abstract noun, and the other topic will be countable and uncountable noun. Countable and uncountable noun. So countable and uncountable, these are the types of noun. Countable, which will be countable, which is uncountable, we have to understand and have to decide. Okay, have to decide. So according to the definition of countable, uncountable, we can tell the sentence, the things that can be counted or not. Okay, and the things which is not countable, they are not countable, okay, is known as uncountable. So firstly we have to understand the countable noun, okay, and how we can decide countable and uncountable. So today we shall डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. हमारे हिसाब से तो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ नाउन्स में कॉन्क्रीट और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट था, तो इसमें तो हमारे हिसाब से कोई परेशानी आपको नहीं होनी चाहिए, नहीं होगा अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखेंगे. सो टेक इट सीरियसली एंड केयरफुली, ओके. सो कॉन्क्रीट में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा, इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम विल बी राइज in your brain, you can ask question, because marvelous, this is very very marvelous, and it is very very necessary and essential for you, okay. So next class will be countable and uncountable, and have to read, okay. Thanks.